Right, Pancake Day. Hey, which means the nation's about to pretend it loves tradition, while it's actually just an excuse to eat sugar on a plate and call it culture. Sign me the hell up. I found a pancake video that I filmed 10 years ago, and my baby's in it, which sounds cute until you realise that baby is now 11 and could absolutely roast me into dust in Mario Kart and pre-secondary school banter. So today's video is part pancake recipe, part emotional damage, and part documentary evidence that I once looked like I slept. If you've ever wondered what pancakes look like when they're made by a younger version of me who still had hope and cartilage, then keep watching. Alright, Anthony Punchin here, a personal trainer and body transformation expert. Now, I am here with Maxatron, and we're going to bash out some breakfast. We've got about 20 minutes until we have to leave for a baby fair, because that's my life now. So I'm going to do some speedy pancakes because they're dead quick and they get the job done really, really fast. Alright, so let's do this, alright? I've got my 21-day quick start plan up here to remind me of everything that I need. So we're starting with some oats, okay? 50 grams of oats. Here we go. You notice I've got my blender cup on the scale here, so I don't have to move it and everything's dead quick. There we go, 49, close enough. Right, we need 6 egg whites. Our egg whites we keep in a bottle, okay? 6 egg whites is roughly a cup, actually, if you want to save yourself a little bit of time. So let's fill that bad boy up. There we go. Good stuff, dump it in. Literally just dump everything in here. We need 200 grams of cottage cheese. Now, again, I've got it on the scale, so I can do this really easily. This tub, though, is actually 300 grams. I think 300 grams. So actually, you just need 2/3 of a tub if you want to make it nice and quick, yeah? Make your job easy. And again, just dump it straight in the blender. About 2/3 of a tub. A little bit more for luck. Alright, and we're going to add a little bit of flavour in. We've got some vanilla essence. Chuck a little bit of that in. And he's having a great time over there. And a bit of cinnamon. Nice. Right, when you're done, get your blender up. We've got a NutriBullet. You don't have to use a NutriBullet, you can use any old blender. We used to use a Blend Active, they were brilliant. Right, just got to line this up. And whiz it, just for a couple of minutes. Talk amongst yourselves. Read paper. Whatever you do on a Saturday morning. And that'll do. So we've got a nice pancake batter, yeah? Ready to go. Oh, you're right there. Did you not like the blender, eh? Yeah, he's all right. So we've got our pancake batter over here. I've had a little bit of coconut oil in my frying pan. All right, that's been going since I started this video. And then we just ladle some of this out. All right, this recipe will actually make 2 servings. So basically you can ladle out about 2 pancakes and you could either refrigerate the other lot, or if like me, you're cooking for the other half as well, you can make 2 servings. So we chuck it in there. Literally, you just have to, need a little bit more heat, but you just have to stick it on for about 3 minutes each side. Yeah, turn it over. I'd actually turn your pan up a little bit more than I did. I'd left mine going and then it will cook pretty quickly. So about 3 minutes each side, turn them over, stick them on a plate, chuck some fruit on there, chuck some 0-calorie syrup on there if you like, you know, and you are good to go. Yeah, enjoy. Okay, look at that. Past me was out there blending batter like life wasn't about to turn into calendars, WhatsApp groups, and being tired for sport. But the important bit is this. The recipe still works. It's simple, it's not 2 tablespoons of joy and 1 teaspoon of integrity, and it doesn't require you to whisk egg whites while standing on one leg at sunrise while chanting to a yak. If you're watching this and thinking, I can't be bothered, perfect. These are the pancakes for people who can't be bothered. Before you go, like and subscribe, because I'll probably drag more old content out of the attic, and if I'm going to relive my youth, I'd at least like to do it with an audience. And tell me in the comments, what's your topping choice? Lemon and sugar, Nutella, or I started with 1 pancake and then blacked out in a puddle of syrup.